Ever wondered what makes Galician cuisine so unique and delicious? Picture a culinary wonderland where the Atlantic meets fertile lands, creating a rich and varied cuisine. Fresh seafood, succulent meats, and divine desserts all play starring roles. Stay tuned as we delve into some mouth-watering dishes and drinks that define Galicia. First off, let's dive into the ocean of Galician seafood and fish dishes. Imagine the burst of flavors from the famous seafood pie, a medley of fresh catch encased in a perfectly baked crust. Then there's the Galician octopus, tenderly cooked and drizzled with olive oil, salt, and paprika. And let's not forget the hake, a popular Atlantic fish, prepared Galician style. These seafood and fish dishes offer a delightful taste of the Atlantic on your plate. Wash down those delectable seafood dishes with a traditional Galician drink. The queimada, an indispensable element of any celebration. This spiritual drink is prepared with aguardiente, sugar, coffee beans, and lemon peel. The queimada is served flaming, accompanied by the recitation of a magical spell to ward off evil spirits. The robust flavors of the queimada are sure to ignite your senses and make your taste buds dance. This spiritual drink is a must-try on your Galician culinary adventure. Now let's sweeten things up with Galician desserts and savor some iconic dishes. The tarta de Santiago, a traditional dessert, is a real treat for sweet lovers. Made with ground almonds, sugar, eggs, and lemon zest, it's known for its unique taste and sugar-glazed top with the cross of Santiago. Then we have the pulpo a la feira, an emblematic dish consisting of boiled octopus slices served over boiled potatoes and seasoned with olive oil, salt, and paprika. These dishes are sure to leave your taste buds craving for more. Did you know Galicia is also home to a variety of artisanal cheeses and recognized wine denominations? The region produces a range of cheeses, from the soft and creamy tortilla to the smoky, distinctive San Simón de Costa. And let's not forget the wines. Galicia boasts renowned wine regions like Rías Baixas, Ribeiro, and Ribeira Sacra. Whether you prefer crisp, fruity whites like Albarino or intense aromatic reds like Mencia, you're in for a treat. These cheeses and wines perfectly complement the Galician culinary experience. And what's a culinary journey without some comfort food? Let's dive into Lacon con grelos, a traditional Galician dish. It's cured pork served with turnip leaves and potatoes, creating a delicious and satisfying combination. This hearty dish is the perfect comfort food to end your Galician meal. In a nutshell, Galician cuisine offers a unique culinary experience. From the freshest seafood and fish dishes to the spiritual queimada drink, the sweetness of tarta de Santiago, and the emblematic pulpo a la feira. Not to mention the artisanal Galician cheeses, delightful wines, and the comforting Lacon con grelos. Each dish a story of the region's rich culture and traditions. So next time you're in Galicia, make sure to savor the authentic flavors of the region. Until then, happy tasting.